So here in this question, we have 3 sections of question. Let's answer each one of them. The first question is, should a monetary value be placed on the cells? So regarding this, we can say that yes, if significant resources were invested in developing and maintaining the stem cells line. So let me help you with the answer. For the first question, our answer is yes, if significant resources were invested in developing and maintaining the stem cell line. So that's regarding the first question. Let's move on to the